Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Josh.
We're the co-founders of Vegan Pig, the world's first vegan pork scratchings.
We always try to reduce the amount of meat we eat, but we absolutely bloody love pork scratchings. So a couple of years ago, we had an idea to create a vegan, shame-free version that's good for your body, good for the environment, and good for these little swines.
It's been a long journey, but the hard work's paid off, and we've got a product we love.
Our vegan scratchings taste like, they crunch like, but they contain actually no traces whatsoever of.
Our mission is to get Vegan Pig into every single pub in the country. So we're asking for your support so that we can scale up our production. We'll then go from pub to pub, selling our delicious, meatless pig snacks.
Sorry, what? You want proof they're any good?
We actually interviewed 12 pigs to find out whether they preferred pork scratchings or our scratchings. 100% of them preferred ours.
Mainly because our scratchings aren't made from their friends, family, or loved ones. No brainer.
The interview wasn't actually real, but vegan scratchings are absolutely delicious.
Oh, really good, really good.